Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Maps or Google Earth on your desktop and signing into your Google account so settings sync. Once logged in, switch to 3D or Earth view. This enables terrain and runway detail. Next, search the city or airport you want, then click the flight icon or choose Enter Flight Mode to launch the simulator. This begins the session and loads aircraft options and controls immediately. Once the sim loads, pick an aircraft and set a starting airport or free roam location. This choice affects speed and handling. Then, take time to learn the controls, throttle, pitch, yaw, and camera perspective, because control inputs change how the plane responds. Make sure to tweak weather and time settings for visibility and set realism or assistance levels. Doing so changes physics and helps you practice takeoffs, approaches, and landings. You fly by using steady throttle and small control corrections. Trim is needed to maintain level flight. Once you plan an approach, reduce speed, deploy flaps gradually, and align with the runway centerline, then flare just before touchdown for a smooth landing. If you experience lag, stuttering, or texture glitches, lower graphics detail, clear cache, or restart the browser. This usually resolves performance problems, so you can continue training without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.